Big ass water heater coming out. Okay, I'll take the camera from there. Alright, I pretty well spared you guys the very slow details. Show you what I wound up doing here. Piece of plywood down these stairs, and then to that slightly offset doorway. And this thing is crazy heavy. I don't know how old the water heater is, but trying to come up this incline was not an easy task for the thing. Got partway up the stairs and I had to add the come along to it to get it moving again. And I used that for part of my anchoring system. So it was parked about right there to start off with, and then I had to move it out a little bit farther so that I could get on the first wrap on the winch there, but finally got the son of a gun out. Anyways, I figure we've got nicer weather, so I figured this would be a good couple of days to try to get some of the garbage out of the basement that I've been wanting to get out. Let's see if I can slide down this thing without killing myself holding the camera. Yes, okay. So then I have myself another ramp in here. And basically that is where it was sitting, laid over on its side. It was a heck of a thing just trying to get it lifted up so that I could get a pair of the dollies underneath of it. So I don't know if it was a lot of waterlogged insulation on it, if it was just made out of good metal, or what the deal was, but it was heavy to say the least. But finally got it. Oh, I got a little bit of light on over here too, so figure I'm going to try, maybe not yet today, but I'm going to try and get that contraption out of here. And I don't know if it's going to show up or not, but yeah, it's not going to show up. Anyways, big cast iron fire chamber or something is what I'm pointing the camera at right now that you can't see, but anyways, I figured that would be worthy of a few minutes of video. Oh, I found something else kind of interesting while I was down here rooting around. This is a little bench, and it's got a little leg vise on it. Yeah, there again, the lighting is not very good. Anyways, I'm going to get this out of here one of these days. I don't know if it'll be today or not, but definitely want to salvage that since it's got a little leg vise on it. It looks like it's fairly sturdy. So anyways, I will let you guys go. Oh, and one other thing. I think this may have been a fuel oil transfer pump. I don't think I showed this thing on any of the videos before. This was lurking around down here in one of the corners of the basement. I'm guessing it's kind of a homemade contraption. I'm not seeing any name brands on it, but it looks like an explosion-proof motor possibly. And explosion-proof electrical fittings, so that usually tends to lend itself towards dealing with some sort of flammable something or other. So we'll see. It's another thing that I'll get up out of the basement one of these days. But anyways, I'll let you guys go. Have a good one.